And to do all of this, of course, we need to expend a lot of energy. And when we start a new job, it is very important, and that is very, very important, that you show that you are 150% committed to your new job. And I know that the job laws depend from country to country, but when you starting a new job is the time that people is evaluating you more. They want to know that if they can trust you. They want to know if you are the one that always complain about things. They want to know if you have a task to be done, if you will do that on time. And when I start a new job, it's very common that I arrived earlier than it is combined, and if needed, I expend more hours in the office that is combined also, because people must identify on you in the beginning that they can trust you. And once the pass goes on, 3 months later, 6 months later, it is normal to you get to you be more near to the average people that are in your company. And but now at this time, the persons already built a figure of you. They already know if they already identified you, if you are lazy or not, or if you are committed or not, or if you are the guy that always complain or not. And that is my tip to you, to give 150%, because when you are hired, you will not. It's not part or to get familiar with internal standards and procedure. You need to get some time to that, or save some time to that. And most often you will not do that during your period of work, because you were hired to solve problem. And to understand the industrial process, you need to get more knowledge, and most often you will need to do that after your hours of work. And if you are not motivated in the beginning, you will not be motivated in the middle, and of course you will not be motivated in the end of your journey in the company. So that's my tip to you.